Today I'm going to show you how to stop your V8 engine from knocking. This is a Ford 5.4 Triton. It's common that you'll hear a loud clacking sound when they're running. So basically get yourself, you need a, let's say a half-inch tapper tool, and you tap each cylinder. You want a pretty solid sound. Okay, that hollow sound means it's empty. So I don't know, what a mechanic could have charged you for that, but it could be in the range of $1,000. All you really got to do on this engine is get yourself some piston fluid. It's just piston lube. Sickens make it. Pour it into the southwest corner hole, about like that, and you want to put about half a quart in there. If you pour too much in, you'll hear a funny sound when you start it up. You don't want that. But I put a few drops in the other holes because you don't got to worry about them. The engine will fill them when it's running. Always fill the southwest corner. Don't fill the other holes. Just get about a half a quart and let it go. When you start the engine, it's going to run. It's going to pump that cylinder back up, and then knocking will go away. A lot of times you hear about a broken valve or a broken piston rod. Usually it's not the case. On these engines here, you can see, and we got a cutaway view. This right here is where that fluid is leaking out right there. See? So it ran out, and that's when it starts knocking, when the piston's going up and down. To deal with that, this little piece of plastic right here. Ford makes this out of plastic. I do not understand them. It's not a Mercedes, I can tell you that. This is the life of your engine. If that plastic breaks, your timing chain takes a dump. So more or less, when that's leaking, this thing will never break. It just lubricates it. If this is dry and you got your engine open, change that piece, it's gonna break. As long as that's still leaking, this will never break. So just keep in mind that anytime you hear that hollow sound coming from your engine, you got to fill the lube cylinder. The rest of them are okay. I already tested them. That should do it. Go buy yourself a gallon at a hardware store. And the reason I say that is because the auto parts stores, they don't carry piston lube. They want to sell you engine oil, and it's the manufacturers that want them to sell the engine oil. They're not even educated that the lube exists in most auto parts stores. You can get it at maybe True Value or Home Depot or something. They'll have it. But the rest of the time, they're just going to tell you, if you change your engine oil, the engine will never break. I say good luck with that.